Hello everyone! So I've been drawing for quite a while, and I, like many artists out there, am not always super happy with the outcome of my work, so I've been itching to try something new for a while. I really want to further develop my art style and keep improving going forward. But first, I actually made a purchase that I've wanted to make for a long time, which I think will help with this process. So I got my very own iPad. I absolutely love this thing and I do almost everything on it. And it especially makes work 10 times easier. I believe that this is the 11th gen, so if any of you guys watching have been considering getting one for yourselves and have the money, I could not recommend it enough. The following day, my pink case came in and I think it's super cute and a lot of fun. I installed Procreate and toyed around with some of the default brushes just to get an idea of where I'm at as a starting point. I've always had a very cartoonish art style as I grew up with artists like VivziePop, Jinja Ninja OWO, and so many more. Although I've moved on from that point, you can still see some lingering elements. I think my biggest insecurities, so to speak, are my struggles with same face syndrome, and I want to get better at anatomy, my shading, and so much more. I actually created a little OC here who I'll talk about more later. So I went ahead and downloaded some brushes online. Originally, this was going to be a portrait, however, I really honed in on just putting a ton of effort into the skin and adding little details to it. I kind of gave up on the rest of the portrait because I felt that I was learning way more from just the face and hands alone. And another big thing was, I headed to Pinterest to gather little bits of pose references, and there are tons of art tutorials which can serve as a great resource for things like this. It taught me a whole lot, and you can actually get a lot of inspiration from your favorite creators, just like when you were younger, and try to learn from that too. While it's not perfect, I actually really like what I came up with, and I can see myself developing this art style further when I'm more confident with my line work, and I'm excited to keep practicing and getting better. Now onto this character. Whenever I write a story, I find that there's way too much happening, so I wanted a simple plotline to have fun with. This is Moira McNeil. She was thrust into fame at a young age and has become a huge pop star by the name of Mirage, and can't really live a normal life as a result. At some point or another, she decides she doesn't want this life anymore and manages to skip town, change her appearance, and tries to go through life as just Moira. I like to imagine that she enrolls in a small college and makes a few friends along the way. That's all I've got for now, and I'm really excited to keep working on Moira and her story. I'll probably touch up on the design, and I may or may not add some glasses because I thought that'd be cute, but I didn't know how to incorporate them in this iteration. When I compare the first piece with this one, I think that they each have their own noticeable strengths, but I'm still a lot happier leaning with this new style. I'd love to keep making more art-related videos and even updating you on my progress as I go. I actually want to challenge myself with the task of drawing every single day for a while and seeing how much better I become in time. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!